the weather like in Lahore? I don't know. What time is it? I don't know. When will the party end? I don't know. Why the baby is crying continuously? I don't know. Why are you so irritating? I don't know. I am just fed up listening. I don't know. You are so irritating. I am leaving. Bye. Hello, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you had a great weekend. So today I'm going to teach you better alternatives to use instead of saying I don't know. So let's start. Stop saying I don't know. Use these phrases instead. First phrase is we are in the same boat. Next phrase is I am in the dark. Another one is I am stumped. Next is I have no clue. Next phrase is I am not in the loop. Next phrase is I am not an expert. Next is I am not sure how to respond. Next is I don't have any information on that. Next phrase is I can't say for certain. Next is that's beyond my knowledge. Next is I don't have an answer for that. Next phrase is I am unfamiliar with that. Next phrase is that's a great question. Next phrase is can you please clarify what are you asking? Next phrase is why don't you ask Mr. Noman? You can place any name there. Next phrase is I have the exact same question. Next is I have been thinking about this one too. Next phrase is who knows? Another one is beats me. Next one is what do you suggest? Next phrase is let me find out for you. Next phrase is that require a bit more research first. Next phrase is that's not my area of expertise. Next is I will ask. Next phrase is I am not the best person to answer that. Next is I am afraid I have no idea. Next is I will double check and let you know. Next is I will get back to you on that one. Next phrase is I have no idea. Another one is it's beyond me. Next phrase is it's some mystery to me. I have been wondering the same thing. Next phrase is I'm not 100% sure about that. Now coming towards the formal version, you can say I would need more information before giving an accurate response. Next phrase is would you mind clarifying what are you asking? By using these alternatives in our daily conversation, we can reduce our dependence on I don't know and improve the overall quality of our speech. Always remember, nobody is perfect in this world. So, it's completely okay if you don't know the answer. Just start replacing I don't know. By using these alternatives, you can show your willingness to acquire more knowledge to find out the solution, and it will definitely help you enhance your professional image. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, subscribe and share.